हेलो गाइस। इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे ESIC का पैरामेडिकल एग्ज़ाम जो कि 2019 में हुआ था लैब असिस्टेंट का, उसका क्वेश्चन पेपर डिस्कशन। हर वीडियो में 20 क्वेश्चंस हैं। ये वीडियो का पार्ट 3 है। इसमें क्वेश्चन नंबर 41 से लेकर क्वेश्चन नंबर 60 तक का हम डिस्कस करेंगे। नाउ लेट अस मूव टू द क्वेश्चंस। Here is question number 41. The certain time period during which a microorganism remains in a dormant or inactive stage is known as A. Inactive period, B. Dormancy, C. Latent period, D. Hibernation. And the correct option is C. Latent period. Question number 42. Which of the following is a malignant tumor? A. Osteoma, B. Chondroma, C. Osteosarcoma, D. Myxoma. And the correct option is C. Osteosarcoma. Question number 43. Which of the chain combinations is correct with regard to the polypeptide chains present in hemoglobin? A. 2 alpha and 1 beta chain, B. 1 alpha and 2 beta chains, C. 1 alpha and 1 beta chain, D. 2 alpha and 2 beta chains. And the correct option is D. 2 alpha and 2 beta chains. Question number 44. How many polypeptide chains are present in an adult hemoglobin? A. 1, B. 4, C. 3 and D. 2. And the correct option is B. 4. Question number 45. Which of the following types of bacteria lacks the cell wall? A. Mycobacterium, B. Hemophilic, C. Mycoplasma, and D. Chlamydia. And the correct option is C. Mycoplasma. Next question is question number 46. Dark field microscopy is done for observing which of the following microbes? A. Viruses, B. Spirochetes, C. Algae, D. Fungi. And the correct option is B. Spirochetes. Question number 47. Alexander Fleming prepared the penicillin from which of the following organisms? A. Bacteria, B. Fungus, C. Protozoa, D. Virus. And the correct option is B. Fungus. Question number 48. Where do the platelets originate? A. Lymph nodes, B. Bone marrow, C. Thymus, D. Spleen. And the correct option is option number B. Bone marrow. Question number 49. Which of the following bacteria causes diphtheria? A. Bacillus, B. Enterococci, C. Corynebacterium, D. Actinomyces. And the correct option is C. Corynebacterium. Question number 50. Which of the following microbes is an acid-fast bacillus? A. E. coli, B. Corynebacterium, C. Salmonella, D. Mycobacterium. And the correct option is D. Mycobacterium. Now let us move to the next question. Question number 51. Which of these involves mere circulation of bacteria in the blood without causing infection? A. Septicemia, B. Bacteremia, C. Hyperemia, D. Conjugation. And the correct option is B. Bacteremia. Question number 52. What is the technical term used to describe swelling during the inflammation process? A. Rubor, B. Tumor, C. Dolor, D. Kaira. And the correct option is B. Tumor. Question number 53. Which of the following cells are affected by malarial parasite? A. WBCS, B. Platelets, C. RBCs, D. Plasma cells. And the correct option is C. RBCs. Next question is question number 54. Which of the following is a sexually transmitted disease? A. Dengue fever, B. Filarial, C. Zika virus infection, D. Chikungunya. And the correct option is C. Zika virus infection. Question number 55. Which of the following bacteria cannot survive in the presence of air? A. Facultative aerobic. B. Facultative anaerobic. C. Obligate anaerobic. D. Aerobic. And the correct option is C. Obligate anaerobic. Question number 56. Which of the following is known as the universal tumor? A. Fibroma. B. Neurofibroma. C. Carcinoma. D. Lipoma. And the correct option is D. Lipoma. Question number 57. Which of the following is not a sexually transmitted disease? A. Gonorrhea. B. HIV. C. Syphilis. D. Lyme disease. And the correct option is D. Lyme disease. Question number 58. What is the correct full form of ELISA? A. Enzyme-like important assay. B. Enzyme-linked involved assay. C. Enzyme-linked immunosorbent assay. D. Enzyme-linked immunosorbent analysis. And the correct option is C. Enzyme-linked immunosorbent assay. Question number 59. Which of the following is the crystalloid of choice in hypo-volemic shock? A. Ringer's lactate. B. Ringer's acetate. C. Ringer's maltase. D. Ringer's cellulose. And the correct option is A. Ringer's lactate. Now, the last question of the video, question number 60. Which of the following bacteria causes trachoma in human beings? A. Antinomies. B. Chlamydia. C. Propionibacterium. D. Mycoplasma. And the correct option is B. Chlamydia.